the development in agribusiness in China is kind of slow, and I think there are some spaces that we can improve because of the limit on the lands and also the resources we have. We may actually not gonna able to really know something about the land and actually put all the theories into practice. My favorite is definitely be agriculture, marketing, and sales, which is taught by Kim Anderson. This professor, I really love him because he will tell a lot of stories in his class, and also begin his class, he will show us the videos related to sales. We have two projects. The one project is that we would spend a day with a professional salesperson, and we would describe what the day the salesperson have, and we can actually talk to them, and that really gives me an amazing opportunity for me. I choose the manager of the Sounder game, and he's really great guy, and he told me a lot about how does he make all the sales, and also how does he communicate with the universities, and also different people. He will treat them with different tactics, strategies, and really learned a lot. Agribusiness college, they provide us with the Aggie X, the club. So in this club, they will have a lot of opportunities, and they get the chance for us to. They have the opportunity provided for you, you can really communicate with the salesperson or someone who is a professor majored in agribusiness, or someone whose career is related to agribusiness. There are a lot of activities and also case studies for the agribusiness. I think you just need to be open-minded. Don't restrict you in your circle, the comfortable zone. If you just step out, that will be much more fun, and you need to be curious about everything, because you have already been to American, and this is a totally different environment for you. I know it's very challenging, but it's also an opportunity for you to improve yourself. So just focus on the thing that you really want to do. Do the things that will make you feel better, and I think that matters.